Hello guys, Bismillah Rahman Rahim. This is Mohsen Azam interacting with you from my YouTube channel Business Innovation. Today we are going to start our fifth lesson of Planning Engineer and Primavera tutorials. From today we will start the tutorials of Primavera P6. So first of all we will start from the introduction of Primavera P6. So Primavera P6 is a project management software which we can use for project management, scheduling, risk analysis, resource management, collaboration. In collaboration, it's further written here that project management method that allow to interact team across the department or cooperation in the complex project and control features. So actually Primavera P6 is used for the planning of a project, tracking of the project, managing the project, but not only the project, programs also. The difference between the project and the program we will discuss in the upcoming slide. There are two types of Primavera P6 programs. One is P6 EPPM. EPPM is basically Enterprise Project Portfolio Management. It's actually the standalone window-based software. It's required local database. And the second one is P6 PPM. This is Professional Project Management. It's web-based software that connect to the web for operation. Okay, now we will start from the enterprise project structure in the Primavera. What is enterprise project structure? It is the topmost level of the Primavera P6 under which projects are grouped. EPS is a hierarchical arrangement of the project in our organization. What is actually an EPS? EPS, as from the name, it's clear that enterprise project structure. This is actually the structure of the project that how within an organization. For example, here we have one organization which is ABC Limited. So in this ABC Limited, how we are organizing our projects, so it will be in the form of EPS will be in the form of hierarchical arrangement. So hierarchical, for example, we have here portfolios in the second level, and then we have the programs, and then we have further the projects. So first of all we will study portfolio. Portfolio is a group of different programs or projects. What is portfolio? The combination of different programs or project will make a portfolio. And what is program? Program is the group of projects that are similar or related to one another. Program is actually the group of projects, similar projects. So program is, as it's written here, that the combination of similar type of project will constitute a program. And then we have project. Project is a temporary endeavor undertaken by a company or organization. A project is a temporary endeavor, or it's a unique product which an organization or a company will create. Either it can be a service or any building or any community project. So here it is written that we have ABC Limited, and in ABC Limited we have portfolio A, portfolio B, and program. So inside portfolio we have program 1, program 2, and in program 1 we have project 1, project 2, and in program 2 we have project. So this is actually the hierarchical arrangement. So EPS is, as we discuss here, that it is the hierarchical arrangement of the project within organization. Now we have one example here, and this example we will create in our Primavera P6 software. We have to create EPS in Primavera for BI Limited. In BI Limited we have two departments. One is responsible for the civil construction and one is for the mechanical. In the civil, further we have real estate and infrastructure, and in the real estate we have two projects. One is construction of ABC building and one is construction of EDG buildings. And in infrastructure we have upgradation of road 1 project. Similarly in mechanical we have oil and gas sector, and we have a project design and fabrication of V8 engine. In oil and gas, we have supply of gas line to ABC area and supply and construction of purification plant at ABC. So these two are the project under oil and gas department. So this we will construct now in Primavera. So open the Primavera. This will be the general interface. Now, first of all, what we will do, here we have file, edit, view, these all options step by step we will discuss. But first of all, we will go to enterprise, and in enterprise we have enterprise project structure. So here a new window will appear. Here we have to define the ID for our EPS, and here we have to define the name per EPS. So for the ID, I will write here BI, and here as name I will write here BI Limited. Okay, now I will add the second level. I will click here add, and here what we have civil construction and mechanical. So here I will write here CE for civil construction, and then I will click it again, and here I will write ME. Okay, so these are the portfolios. C is for the civil sector and M is for the mechanical sector. Next we have under civil we have real estate, which will be the program, and infrastructure. So in the civil field we have two departments. Further, the civil department is divided into two further sub groups or departments, and we have real estate there and infrastructure. So this we will define here. But I will add here, I will move this above and I will move it to the right. Now RS and infrastructure IN. Further in mechanical we have oil and gas sector. So here I will click add here, and here ONG or OG. So this is our EPS. It is completed now. Now I will close this and see now our EPS is developed here. So this oil and gas is under mechanical. So we will check once again our EPS. We will open, and this we will move towards right under mechanical. And now I will close it. This is now our EPS. We have BI Limited. Under BI Limited we have two departments. One is civil and mechanical, and under civil we have real estate and infrastructure, and in mechanical we have oil and gas. So now further, as we have here the projects, like under real estate we have two projects. This project we can define, and under infrastructure we have upgrade uproad. This we will define in the next lesson. So here what we did, we defined just an EPS for our organization. In this EPS we have, as organization is BI Limited, we have the department as civil and mechanical, and in civil we have real estate and infrastructure, and in mechanical we have oil and gas. So further, for the project, we will in the next level we will define the project, and this we will start from the upcoming lesson. So that's it for today. If you like the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page Business Innovation. Thanks for watching.